Hi, everybody. It's Diana. Someone had posted, how do you save the instructions from the Kimberbell CDs? So I have had this question by some folks that follow my YouTube and my Instagram. So I thought I'd just share this little video with you. This is done very much on a dime because for me, I want to keep things organized, but I don't want to spend a ton of money. So the first thing I did is I went to our local dollar store and purchased this 3-ring binder. I'm going to tell you that I like this one. One, all these flowers remind me of stuff that Kim does. But I like it because see how the cover folds and bends? I like that because then when I stick this on my shelf or in my filing cabinet, it can mold itself a little bit better to the space I have, whereas I find that if I get binders that have the rigid board covers, those really have to be put in a specific space because they don't like to bend or they'll crease and break. That's just me. Anyway, a tip there from me to you. So anyway, what I do is I put... This has 3 events and a separate CD's worth in it, and I can probably fit one more event or a couple more CD's worth of instructions in here. But instead of buying pre-made tabs, I just use good old sticky notes, Post-its. If you know me at all, you know I am a sticky note junkie, so that's what I use. I start in the back. This is my Too Cute to Spook instructions. So all the instructions are in here, and they're in the order that we did them in the event, but that doesn't matter. That's just how I put them in here. And then I started, since it's in the farthest back, I put my tab up here in the far corner. And then my next one is Oh Happy Day. Then I have my Merry and Bright from the holidays. I really loved this one. And then one of the things that I got at that Merry and Bright event was I was able to get the CD for the Very Merry Christmas tea towels. And so these are actual instructions that I've had to print from home. So these are paper, whereas these are the ones that come pre-notched and all from the event. These are the paper ones that I've printed out. I do print out my instructions in color just because it helps me visually understand what I'm doing. If the instructions are just like a little bit of a diagram and some written stuff, I'll do those in black and white to save my ink. But that, again, that's your choice. And then with Kim's events, she does this thing that I so love. And Kim, I have to tell you that I did a class on Dresden's back in the early fall, and I made one of these up for my students. So but I did give you credit for where I got the idea. These placemats come for some of the different projects you do during the events, which I love. They are not punched, 3-hole punched, and I decided not to 3-hole punch mine just in case I accidentally punched out a word or something that was going to be useful. So right now I just have them in the back of the binder. It'll tell you on each one what they're for, so it's not that important that you label them in any specific way. However, I'm going to get one of those stick-on clear sleeves so that I can put these placemats in there. But that is how, and then I just put this on my shelf, or I have a filing system, and I just put them in there, and whenever I want to do them, I grab them, and I can go in and I can take out, let's say for the Merry and Bright event, I wanted to do the little, I make these into mug rugs, but the little hanging piece, I just take out that piece of instruction, use it, and put it back when I'm done. So anyway, I hope that helps the gal who asked about this, or gives anybody else ideas on ways to keep your stuff. Or maybe you already all do that. But I would even be interested in hearing or seeing some of your methods on what you do too, because I learned a lot from all of you guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. I think here in Illinois, we're starting to thaw out a little bit. It's a grand total of 35 degrees right now, and we've been in the negative double digits for a few weeks. So that's nice. Anyway, I hope everybody's safe and everybody had a great holiday, and happy 2018. Bye now.